If you're about to buy a car without watching this video, well, you may as well walk into the dealership, hand them your wallet, and ask if they want the password to your bank account. Today, I'm about to teach you how to negotiate in 2025 without getting roasted, rinsed, and sent home with a payment plan that lasts longer than your relationship. And yes, we're going to laugh while we do this because the best negotiators know how to make people comfortable before they politely destroy them in price talks. Let's get right into the video. The first thing you want to do is you want to do research. And let me explain. Most people don't buy cars or do research before buying their cars. They simply just look at a car online, if they do that, walk into the dealership hoping to get a good deal. We don't operate on hopium on this channel. We operate on strict strategy. So what I want you to do instead is look up all the cars in a 50 to 100 mile radius for your desired car. So for example, if you're looking to buy a Mercedes-Benz AMG 53, go on cargurus.com and look up all the AMG 53s in your area within 50 to 100 miles. Now you have all of those cars priced, and you know where the low end is, and you know where the high end is. Now, of course, some of the cars may come with accidents and issues. So this is what I want you to do, because this is going to give you the negotiating power. Filter all those cars to ones that have been on the market for more than 90 days. We're going to flip the script. We want to walk in when the dealership is desperate. When the dealership is desperate, we have all the leverage. And this is what we're going to do. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to give the dealership a call, and we're going to say, hey, I see your car has been sitting there for a little while. I'm interested in purchasing. Can I get a pre-purchase inspection? You're going to do a pre-purchase inspection, and you're going to pay for it. The reason why you need to pay for it is because this pre-purchase inspection gives you the highest form of leverage. They will find everything wrong with the car. This is the research stage. It costs about $240 to $250 for a pre-purchase inspection. However, it gives you all the leverage because now we've identified a car that has been on the dealer's lot for 90 days, and we're going to find out exactly what's wrong with it. We've just put the dealership on the back foot before we've even walked into the dealership. Boom. Now, when you walk into the dealership after your pre-purchase inspection, you know exactly what's wrong with the car, and you know exactly how to approach them. Now, of course, if the car has major issues, skip that one and go to the next one. However, if you're happy with the pre-purchase inspection, if you need to find one, go on lemonsquad.com. They will do a pre-purchase inspection for you. If you're happy with the result, you walk into the dealership. When you walk in, we never look desperate. Here's what we do. We ask them a bunch of questions regarding the car. We want to see the Carfax. We want to see how many people have driven the car. We want to see the maintenance records. And we want to know exactly how long the car has been on the market. We already know most of this information, but we're still going to ask the dealership because we want them to do most of the talking. We're not there to chase the car. We're there to basically make them sell the car to us. And this is exactly the position you want to be in. Boom. Now that you've done all of that, put the dealership in that back foot, ask all your questions. The next thing I want you to do is to lowball the dealership. If you want to buy that car for $40,000, I want you to request the car for $30,000. Yes, you're going to bid $10,000 under, low enough for them to be offended, but not completely kick you out of the dealership, because we still want them to negotiate with us. Now, here is the most important part. Once you've put in your ask, you shut up and you wait for their response. Two things are going to happen. Either they're going to completely say no, which is fine, or the salesman is gonna think about it. Once they're thinking about it, we're in the right spot. Most likely, if they are thinking about it, it means that they're desperate enough to consider that price. And now you're halfway to getting a deal. Now, if they say no, you can come up a little bit. But here's the deal. Never, ever come up to the price you're willing to pay. Why? Because in Donald Trump's The Art of the Deal, the person with the biggest leverage is the one that's willing to walk away. So you have to be willing to walk away. Negotiating isn't about being aggressive. It's about making them feel like giving you a deal is their idea. So what we want to do is we want to give them a lowball offer, wait for their response. If they consider the offer, you can come up just a little bit to meet them where they're considering. You have all the information. It's 2025. So if you're overpaying for cars, it's because you want to. Like this video if you learned something. Subscribe to the channel for more. Drop your wildest dealership stories in the comments. The best one will get pinned.